thirst. It calls. I won't deny what I am. These streets for 1,000 years, hiding the beast beneath the skin, swallowing silence, drowning in fear. But tonight the hunger wins. I feel it rising, veins on fire. Can't fight the craving anymore. Your pulse is racing, I draw closer. One taste and I'll be reborn. I'm drinking the crimson rain. Feel the power flood my veins. No more chains, no more shame. We rise at night in blood and flame. Do we have to hide what we are forever? Never again. Your fear tastes sweet upon my tongue. Warm rivers flow in life undone. I'll take what I need, I'll drink till I'm strong. The night is ours, we don't run. The thirst is screaming, I won't resist it. Or they'll stake us in the dawn. We feel them trembling, always judging. Come closer now, feed the storm. I'm drinking the crimson rain. Feel the power flood my veins. No more chains, no more shame. We rise tonight in blood and flame. Do we have to hide what we are forever? Never again. I'm drinking the crimson rain. Your life becomes my endless gain. We own the dark, we break the grave. Eternal now, nothing can Centuries starving in shadows, begging for scraps in the night. No more weakness, no more mercy. We drink the world dry. Let the rivers run red! I'm drinking the crimson rain. Feel the power flood my veins. No more chains, no more shame. We rise tonight.